Hey, I'm V, and we're gonna be debunking the law of assumption. That shit ain't real. Just kidding, but you're gonna wanna watch till the end of this video so you can understand what it actually is. It is not just our thoughts create our reality. It's like a watered down version of the truth. And you're gonna wanna hear the truth because once you understand the actual basics of reality, then you can use it to your advantage in all areas of your life. Not just one thing that you're trying to manifest in your life. Manifestation is reality shifting. It's the exact same thing, just different terminology. So really, we aren't manifesting or creating things into existence because everything is already created. The reason I have been saying it on my channel on TikTok is because it's easy for everyone to understand because everyone now knows what manifesting or reality shifting is, or using the law of attraction or the law of assumption, but it is not the full truth because everything already exists. You're not assuming something into existence and magically it appears in your reality. You are shifting through realities. There are an infinite amount of parallel earths on top of each other, and your thoughts align you to that world. Our thoughts aren't creating things per se, but they're aligning you to your reality. So there is a billion different versions of you that either has what you want or what you don't want. You shift into that world with your thoughts. For example, every single second, whether you decide to move your body this way or this way, the whole world is going to be different. Maybe you decided to wear a red shirt and another version of you is wearing a green shirt. Different realities depending on your thoughts and your actions. There's a version of me that went to the gym this morning, didn't put their hair up, and is living a completely different life. What did I do here? There's an infinite amount of realities of Earth, parallel realities of Earth. And your affirmations create new thoughts, and your thoughts and emotions, it's basically the same thing, align you to another reality. So we're reality shifting like less than every single second. It's literally like this. It's happening so fast that your eyes can't tell the difference. It's exactly like a play, like a movie. So it's like this. Say you wear the green shirt, you're gonna be over here. You wear the red shirt, you're gonna be over here. Say you decide to buy the car, you're over here. Say you decide to not buy the car, you're gonna be over here. Like your life is gonna be different depending on your thoughts and your actions. It aligns you to a different reality. Quantum jumping is when you're not just making these smooth moves. It's like, you're over here now. And something big like appears out of nowhere. That is a jump because you just shifted so drastically. It just all happened like it appeared out of the blue, but you just shifted so fast versus slowly shifting like we do every single day, depending on our thoughts, our actions, etc. That is why anything is possible, because if you can think it, you can move over to that reality. But you are the only person limiting yourself because it's your thoughts that align you to that reality. And when you shift, you're not changing anything on the world itself. You're shifting to a reality where people act differently to you, or you have that thing that you want. You are not changing people. People are living in their own reality. You see the version of people that you create with your thoughts. Your thoughts align you to that reality of that person with that character. That's why sometimes people can completely disappear from your life and you don't hear from them again because you're in a different reality and they're not aligned to that reality, which is also really helpful to know because if you don't want someone in your life, you can align to the reality where they're not in your life. Or they literally don't even know you, or they forgot about you because you shifted into a reality where they never knew you. And speaking from experience, this has helped me a lot. Once I realized that I could do that, I have removed some toxic people from my life. And it has just knowing the power that you hold, but that you are aligning yourself to realities. That is super important to know. It's not like you're creating things into existence. You are aligning yourself to different realities based on your thoughts. So if you don't make a drastic change in your thoughts, your life is kind of going to stay the same until you have like a big event that's like, holy shit, I need to get my life together type moment. And before you incarnated yourself, your energy self into a human body, you knew all these rules, okay? The rule of Earth is when you incarnate here on Earth, you have to forget everything. I have an alarm going off. Funny, it's 11:11 right now. But I'm here to remind you of how things work. That is my life purpose, is to help wake people the fuck up. So I intend that helps you, and I intend that my hair doesn't look as bad as it does right now. And if you need more in-depth help, you can book a session with me. I'm also working on workshops. Just make sure you're following me, honestly. Like I have so much free content. Like I teach you guys exactly how everything works in my free content on TikTok and YouTube. So just make sure you're following me. I talk about manifestation, which is reality shifting, quantum leaping, energetics, like spirits, other dimensions, etc. I also do really crazy adventures where I just listen to spirit and end up in a random part of the world exploring magic. I've been doing that my whole life. So you can follow me on Instagram if you're interested in that. I also post a lot of fitness content because I like to live. Yeah. Anyways, peace and love. Have an amazing rest of your day. Mwah.